Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Circular Economy Concepts in Resource Management. Circular economy concepts in resource management are central to sustainable project management practices. Unlike the traditional linear economy model, which follows a take, make, dispose pattern, the circular economy aims to redefine growth by focusing on positive society-wide benefits. It entails gradually decoupling economic activity from the consumption of finite resources and designing waste out of the system. This model is based on three principles: designing out waste and pollution, keeping products and materials in use, and regenerating natural systems. The transition to a circular economy is essential, given the pressing environmental constraints and resource scarcity. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, about 45% of global greenhouse gas emissions come from the production of goods, including cars, clothes, food, and other products. This statistic underscores the critical need for a systemic shift towards more sustainable resource management to mitigate climate change impacts. One of the fundamental aspects of the circular economy is the emphasis on designing out waste. This principle challenges the conventional approach to product design and encourages innovation in materials and processes. For instance, companies are now considering the entire life cycle of a product, from extraction of raw materials to end-of-life disposal. A notable example is the use of biodegradable materials in packaging, which can significantly reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. According to a study published in the Journal of Cleaner Production, adopting biodegradable packaging materials could reduce plastic waste by up to 60%. Another key component is keeping products and materials in use for as long as possible. This can be achieved through strategies such as reuse, repair, refurbishment, and recycling. By extending the life cycle of products, we can reduce the demand for new resources and minimize environmental impact. The concept of product as a service is gaining traction, where companies retain ownership of products and provide them as services to consumers. For example, Philips offers lighting as a service, allowing customers to pay for the light they use, while Philips maintains ownership of the equipment and is responsible for its end-of-life management. This approach not only ensures that products are used more efficiently, but also incentivizes companies to design durable and easily maintainable products. Regenerating natural systems is the third principle of the circular economy. This involves restoring and enhancing the natural environment through practices such as regenerative agriculture, which improves soil health and increases biodiversity. In contrast to industrial agriculture that depletes soil nutrients and relies heavily on chemical inputs, regenerative agriculture focuses on practices like crop rotation, cover cropping, and reduced tillage. These methods can sequester carbon in the soil and improve water retention, contributing to both climate change mitigation and adaptation. According to the Rodale Institute, regenerative agriculture has the potential to sequester more than 100% of current annual CO2 emissions if practiced globally. Implementing circular economy principles in resource management requires collaboration across various sectors and stakeholders. Governments, businesses, and consumers all play crucial roles in this transition. Policy frameworks can incentivize the adoption of circular practices through regulations, subsidies, and public procurement policies. For example, the European Union's Circular Economy Action Plan includes measures to encourage sustainable product design, reduce waste, and promote recycling and reuse. Such policies create a conducive environment for businesses to innovate and adopt circular practices. Businesses, on the other hand, can drive the transition by integrating circular economy principles into their operations and supply chains. This often involves rethinking business models and value propositions. For instance, the fashion industry, notorious for its environmental footprint, is seeing a shift towards circular business models. Companies like Patagonia and Eileen Fisher are leading the way by offering repair services, resale programs, and using recycled materials in their products. These initiatives not only reduce waste, but also align with growing consumer demand for sustainable products. Consumers also have a significant role to play by making informed choices and supporting circular economy practices. Increasing awareness about the environmental impact of consumption can drive demand for sustainable products and services. Educational campaigns and labeling schemes can help consumers identify and choose products that are designed for longevity, repairability, and recyclability. Moreover, community initiatives such as repair cafes and sharing platforms can foster a culture of reuse and collaborative consumption. While the benefits of a circular economy are clear, there are challenges to its widespread adoption. One of the main barriers is the existing infrastructure and systems that are built around the linear economy model. Transitioning to a circular economy requires substantial investment in new technologies, processes, and business models. Additionally, there is a need for a mindset shift among all stakeholders to prioritize long-term sustainability over short-term gains. Furthermore, measuring the impact of circular economy practices can be complex. Traditional metrics of economic success, such as GDP, do not capture the environmental and social benefits of circular activities. Developing new indicators that reflect the true value of circular practices is crucial for tracking progress and guiding decision-making. The Global Reporting Initiative and other organizations are working on frameworks for measuring and reporting on circular economy performance, which can help standardize and benchmark efforts across different sectors. In conclusion, the circular economy offers a transformative approach to resource management that aligns with sustainable project management practices. By designing out waste, keeping products and materials in use, and regenerating natural systems, we can create a more sustainable and resilient economy. The transition requires concerted efforts from governments, businesses, and consumers, as well as innovative policies and business models. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits in terms of environmental sustainability, economic resilience, and social well-being make the circular economy an imperative for the future. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.